Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Volleyball Results. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving volleyball results from Codesignal. Let's begin. So you have a website that keeps track of the volleyball team's results around the world. Okay. And the results table contains the following columns: name, country, scored, missed, and wins. And your task is to sort the given results table in ascending order by the number of wins. So this is an example. We have a table with as follows: name, country, scored, missed, wins. And you just want to output the same results, but in ascending order by the number of wins, which goes from 0, 1, 2, 3. All right. I see. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so this is the column that we're working with. So we're still outputting all the columns, so put star, select star, which means all row, all columns from the table, and the table here is results. Now we want to be sorted by the order of wins, so to do that we do order by wins. And if we want to specify ascending order, you can do ASC, but I believe by default it does it by ascending order, lexicographically. I hope I used the right term there. Let's run the test to see if I'm correct. Okay. Alright, I'm glad it passed. Alright guys, I hope you like my content. Please like and subscribe, and if you do, I'll give you a golden volleyball. Oh shoot. I'll give you a golden volleyball so that, since you know how a lot about volleyball, and I don't know where this joke is going, I'm gonna exit out before it gets worse.